Gab Squad. Okay, that was weird. That was squishy. Go get thing. Slime right there. No. What thing? Your slime? No, we're both poking it on the same thing.
Okay. We'll take
Okay,
some
so we have this baby thing so we can poke our slime. We just got our slime package. I'm gonna put it downward.
Mine's in a clear bag, but they both came in the same box.
Mine's in a pink bag, but it came in.
It looks really good. It looks like all the slimes I want.
So why did you put the pink, the rock in there?
But it came in this package, and then there's 3 slimes that are in here. So you can start first.
I'm gonna start with this. I ordered this
Green
glow in
slime.
the dark jiggly slime, and it's what it doesn't stretch, which I wanted, and it's actually really good. Okay.
It's.
It's
She
really
didn't
good.
send a note or anything, but that's okay.
It's really good. See, it's not stretchy, but it's really good. It's jiggly, like jiggly. And
Okay.
it's glow in the dark.
This one, it's not glowing in the dark. Is it?
I don't know.
Here.
That's what
Okay.
it said.
So I'm gonna choose one from outside the bag because 3 spilled. So. Okay.
It feels weird because of the glitter.
I'm gonna just dump mine
I
out.
got this white slime, which is like very watery. It's so stretchy. Can you move the camera up, like up, downward? Downward.
Sorry, we just had to adjust the camera.
Okay.
Ew.
That one's too watery, but
It must have been shipping.
I still like it. It's still
It's
stretchy.
shipping.
It's still stretchy. Scoot over. They can
But the
barely
only
see me.
slime that's really bad that I wanted, but I wanted it. It was like a putty. I think it was this one.
Okay, so that's my slime.
Okay, I'm going to do my putty next. It's supposed to be like a little magic air and thinking buddy, which I love. It's not stretchy. I love it.
It's really good,
Okay.
and I don't lie.
It's putty.
Okay, so next slime I got was this clear slime that I'm actually glad. I think the bubbles are still setting.
I got the same exact thing you did.
Okay, so I guess she won't be.
Well, I will. Well, like usually
Mine
not
is
stretchy.
not. Yes, mine's is stretchy, but
Mine's-
I love it so much though. Thanks for this. I could dye it or add something in it, or I could just keep it the way it is. I love it so much. So
And she just made it like right when we ordered it, which was like 2 days ago, so it's really good shipping. She lives in the U.S.,
Iowa.
Iowa, so it's really close.
Have you seen
So it just made, so we haven't let it sit. So
I never
it's
said you could touch. Whatever, just touch.
It feels cool.
Okay, hers is like a more white.
Mine's more stretchy,
Okay.
and then
so
mine's more.
next slime I got was this purple slime, and
I
this
got the
I
same
actually
exact thing.
love. It's so
Actually, no, I didn't get that.
stretchy. Like, and it's
I looked at
It's
that
so
one. We went
pokey.
to the same website. I looked at that one, but then I didn't get it because I didn't really like it.
it's so pokey though, but like so stretchy.
I can't wait
I
to
love it
open
so
my
much.
butter slime.
That's a better slime. Wait. Do you guys see the top?
The top, she like
It's kind
designed
of
it.
weird.
And this is, I picked out the
It's
purple
nail
and then
polish. That's nail polish.
What?
On the top? Oh yeah.
I don't
I
know.
can tell that's nail polish.
Okay, so this is definitely better slime. I love
Go get a knife.
this. Okay, I don't have one.
Go
I'll
get
use my
it.
finger.
Kennedy,
So
can you go get a knife, please?
So pokeable. And if you look closely,
I'm not gonna kill you.
I'll just use my finger.
So what are you waiting for, huh?
You have to get it yourself.
Run. Go tell everybody.
Yep, it's better slime.
Fine.
I love it. Thank you so much. It was like $2.
Little secret.
Oh my god, brownies smell so good.
We are cooking brownies right now. We have an ice cream and pizza and making a fork. Okay, whatever. Now it's time to move on with this. So I'm just gonna.
I think your whole charade is stupid.
I got
and
this
immature.
pink
You're
slime.
hiding behind some
Oh, that's the nail polish slime.
How do you know?
Because I saw that one.
This one smells kind of good, but it smells like laundry detergent. But it's so stretchy.
Well, if you don't care, why are you here?
It's so pokey and everything. And I love it so much.
She got drowned in her lives.
What, Caitlin?
Sorry if you can hear that background noise. It's Camp Rock.
Thunder. Oh my god, this is gonna be my favorite song. This is Pearly. It doesn't catch the color. Okay.
It says here in this magazine I
Oh my God.
It's so good. And I ordered white sparkles. They are but very little. Show them up close. They can't see it.
They can't.
I can barely see it.
Yeah, you can.
Let me see,
barely-
let me see.
She did add sparkles to it. She said
So,
Look,
I'm thinking.
very good song.
Maybe we could
It was
visit
$3.
your mom in China and go to that happy summer store. Sure. My mom would like that.
Okay, so next thing,
My blue clear.
I got this other clear slime that is actually so soft and
That's
so
the smaller
stretchy.
version. I didn't get that.
This is
Okay,
so
I got the same
stretchy.
exact thing, but I got.
It's so stretchy and so pokey. It just needs a few days to get the bubbles out. So when I wake up in the morning, hopefully it will be okay. Yeah, but it still is clear.
Save it, Mitchie.
And yeah, she's having a sleepover, so that's what she said.
Okay, so that slime you can get in any color. That's why the other one was different. So I got the same exact thing, but I got the blue
She
one.
dyed it blue.
It doesn't.
What are you doing?
Wear your t-shirt and shorts. Yeah, I'm Dr. Hirsch.
Whoa, yeah.
I didn't dye this one. I bought this.
No, I said that she
Yeah.
dyed it. If you
So
would've heard.
pretty.
No, I'm saying the person who gave
It's
it
like
to
pearly. Same thing.
us. Okay, so then I have this purple clear slime. She's
That looks
probably
really bad. Is that
it's probably
the putty
putty.
one?
It's
Remember
probably
you could get a bunch of putties?
it's probably the guys. This is putty.
Yeah, that's the putty one.
I didn't order putty. I ordered slime. This is
I think it
This
was
is-
shipping because
yeah. This is like very bad. I haven't played with this in a very long time.
it's okay. It was only 50 cents.
Whatever. Okay, whatever.
It's just the power port to the sound system tap.
Okay, go.
Right.
This is my Jello slime. Yay!
That's a jealous.
You are so full of it.
That is not jealous.
You can't stand that people might actually like what other people do.
What is that?
What is that?
Okay, this is.
This is actually Pokey in the bag.
Whatever, major loser.
Oh my god, I love this. It's my Jello
Whatever,
slime.
major loser. We so last year.
Okay,
Everyone knows that.
I only have one more slime left after
I
this.
guess
So
not everyone.
this slime is actually a pinkish, purplish slime. She's told me she added. It's so stretchy and like so soft. This is butter slime. Guys, this is butter slime. So let me just.
I have one more. Wait,
I have one more.
I'm
too.
done.
So yeah.
Oh, wait, I have one more.
I have one more after, and I ordered actually Galaxy Slime.
Oh, you
I'm
did?
so yeah, I did. I ordered Galaxy Slime.
Bye.
Get back in here, little girl.
Just like your mother always again.
Okay, you're not coming back.
Oh, I have two more, except one's for her that I bought.
I have one more, which is a Galaxy Slime.
Don't you want to know what
Sorry if you hear.
Still dreaming. Let's
Go.
Okay, I have this pink fluffy slime, which was $1. So yeah. I have one more.
Shut
I have one more. I have one more, but I bought it for
That's
her.
mine. Is it?
Oh, I bought it for you.
Okay. I got. Oh, here's my Galaxy Slime. That looks actually
It's
very
really
cool.
pretty. Except she forgot. She said that she ran out of white glitter, and she said she'd send us some, so we're good.
That is so pretty. I don't want to play with it outside, but that is like
You're gonna like it.
combination.
I
of-
custom made this one, so it was $10.
Thanks so much. That was it for me. No more.
This one's for her, and I custom made this one. I custom the color and I custom the type of slime, and have these beads in it, and then the glitter, and it's really good.
Freak. It's like butter slime.
Sorry.
Ew, you freaking spit it everywhere. That's disgusting.
You like it? It was like $10. It wasn't that bad. This was
Kennedy. I swear to
overall
God.
my favorite was my blue clear slime.
Sit down somewhere. Sorry, my cousin's being so annoying. Stop touching my stuff.
My favorite was my blue clear.
My favorite over all of these was my galaxy slime and my clear slimes.
I like this one. I
Stop.
like all my blue slime. I like my slime. I like these.
Oh wait, let me touch this.
Actually,
This is like goop. No. I said not to pop it, so put it down somewhere.
When you give it your all,
Guys, this is so gloppy.
something never crosses your mind.
Look at this. It's so gloppy. Oh, I also got a slime for her, which was custom made. Sorry, I'm trying to. Gabby, what? This is not funny.
what?
Did you make that slime in my hair?
You made the green thing? Yeah.
No, she bought it.
No, I bought this one.
Oh, I thought that was the one over there because it looks like the one over there.
It is. Okay, bye guys.
No, I made her a custom made slime. It's right here. I got slime in my hair. See that? Here, touch your slime. Touch your slime. I made it for you.
I'd rather have the other one.
Okay, guys, so
Does this cookie look like a CD?
here's your
I
slime.
wanted to look authentic next to my 8th note cupcakes.
This slime
Looks
sucks.
great, Connie.
These
Bye.
pens are so